I'm going to teach you how to add your signature to a Canva design. We'll start right in your browser. Open Canva and sign in so you're ready to go. From here, either open an existing design you want to sign, or create a new one with the size that fits your project, whether it's a document, a social post, or a flyer. Having your design open makes it easy to see exactly how your signature will fit with the rest of your layout. If you want to draw your signature directly on the design, select the Draw or Pen tool. Choose a pen style that feels natural, then set the stroke thickness and the color. A slightly thicker stroke often reads better on screen and on print, and picking a color with good contrast helps your signature stand out without overpowering the design. Zoom in a little before you sign for better control, and don't worry about perfection. Use undo if you want a second try. When you're happy, your signature becomes an element on the canvas that you can move and edit. Next, adjust the size, color, and position. Click your signature to reveal the corner handles and drag to resize. Place it where it makes the most sense visually, like the bottom right or near a closing line in a document. If you need to tweak the color after signing, adjust it to match your brand palette, or to improve contrast with the background. A small rotation can make it feel more natural, but keep it readable. If you already have a scanned or photographed signature, you can use that instead. Click Uploads, then Upload Media, and select your image file. A clear, high-contrast image on plain white paper works best. Once it appears in your uploads, drag it onto the design. Resize using the corner handles, and position it just like the drawn version. If the image looks too large or too small relative to other elements, make gentle adjustments until it feels balanced. After everything looks right, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download, and choose the format that fits your needs. PNG is great for crisp quality on digital designs. JPG is a solid choice for smaller file sizes, and PDF works well for documents you plan to print or share professionally. Confirm your selection and download your file. That's it. You've added your signature in Canva using either the built-in drawing tools or an uploaded image. Try both methods to see which gives you the look you prefer, and keep a copy handy for future projects to save time. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.